In this guide, you will learn how to send Excel to email as PDF. I will discuss two methods in this video, okay? But let's start with one. First, access the File Explorer of your PC. So I'll click on File Explorer. As it opens, get to the folder where you saved the Excel file. Then get to the main Excel file, which is this in this case. So I'll be working with book sample. That is the one named book sample, okay? So I will double click on the file for it to open with the Excel program installed on my PC. As the Excel file opens, just as you can see on the screen, click File. Then select the option Export. We are doing this because we want to export this file to PDF before we then upload to email, okay? Then select the option Create PDF/SPS. On this new page, you can change the name of the file, but in this case, I don't want to change it, so let me just go with that, okay? Hit Publish. And now this file is now saved as PDF on my PC. So I can hit Save and then close this. The next step is for you to log into your email and then attach the PDF file before sending out to someone. So in this case, I'll be using Microsoft Edge. So I'll click on Edge for it to open. As the browser opens, just log into your email as I stated before. In this case, I want to use Gmail. So I have already bookmarked my Gmail account. So I'll click on it for it to open, okay? And then go on with the sending of the PDF file, okay? Okay, as you log into your email, the next step you need to take is click Compose. Then in the To section, type the email address of the recipient. In the subject area, give the mail a subject, okay? So let's say meeting updates. Then get to this section and click on Attach. Navigate to where you saved the PDF file, okay, of Excel. So here is the PDF file of the Excel. So I'll click on that and select Open. Okay, in the body section, you can leave a message across, okay, explaining the content of this PDF file to the recipient, okay. After that, just click Send. And the Excel file will be sent as PDF to the recipient. It is that simple, okay. Another way you can convert your Excel file to PDF before sending it to an email address is using a third-party website. And one of them is Convert.io. So open your web browser and then visit the website convertio.co. Alright, you can see that. Once this website opens, upload your Excel file on it and then do the conversion. So let's take it a step. Okay, as the website opens, click Choose File. Navigate to the folder where you saved the Excel file. Once you get to the file, click on it and select Open. This platform dictates the format of the file you uploaded. So here is Excel. So in the To section, select the format you want to convert to. Okay, so I'll click on Document and go with PDF. And lastly, the next step you need to take is click Convert. Once this file is converted to PDF, download it into your computer. And here the conversion is done, so I'll click Download. And this file is downloaded to my computer. As this file is downloaded into my computer, the next step I need to take is to open my email address, attach the PDF file, and then send to the recipient, just like I did in the first method. Let me guide you on how you can do the same thing on your iPhone or on your mobile, okay? So if you want to convert an Excel file to PDF before sending to an email and you're using your mobile, what you need to do is to first install Excel app on your mobile, okay? In this phone, I have already installed the Excel application, the mobile app. So that's why you see it on my screen right now. So go to the Play Store and then search for Microsoft Excel and get it installed on your mobile, be it an Android phone or an iPhone. Then I will then open the file I want to convert to PDF before sending to email. Okay, let's assume this is the file I want to send to email. All right. The first thing is to convert. So I will tap on this share icon, the arrow that points up. Then I'll select send a copy. Then under this option, you can see some options here. One of them is share as PDF. Okay, so I'll select the option share as PDF. Then I will click next. Then I will select the app I want to share this with, and it's going to be either Gmail or any other mail service. Because I'm using iPhone, so let me go with the mail. All right, so I'll tap on it. Okay, in the to section, just type the email address of the person you want to send the Excel file to, but in this case, it's already in the form of PDF. In the subject section, give the mail a subject. Let's say an event, okay? Then in the body section, you can explain the content of the Excel file, which is now in PDF format, okay? So explain to the recipient what the file is all about, okay? Then after that, the next step is tap on send, which is the arrow that points up at the top right, the green arrow. And here the recipient will receive this file as PDF in his own email address, okay? I hope you find this guide helpful. Please do like, subscribe, and leave a comment.